There you go. And we're back. I'm your host, BKP. Good morning from the office, North Georgia's only live online morning show. And you can always reach us, 706-889-9700. Tomorrow, we will be at Blue Jeans Pizza. Blue Jeans Pizza in Blue Ridge, Georgia. We come to you there every Friday morning from 8 to 10. We got a lot planned for tomorrow. We are going to have a judge with us tomorrow. We don't get an opportunity to sit down with a judge. We don't get an opportunity to sit down with a judge very often. Judge Wooster, can you get Judge Wooster's picture? Sam's thinking, you could tell me you're going to do this. There is Judge Wooster and Governor Nathan Deal when he was sworn in down at the Capitol. He is one of the Appalachian Judicial Circuit judges, Superior Court judges. Judge Wooster there on your left or their right? My left? Okay, okay, Judge Wooster, the guy that's not Nathan Deal, will be on the show in the morning. All right, with us at Blue Jeans Pizza. Okay, now, from yesterday, I'm your host, BKP. Get in touch with me, 706-889-9700. From yesterday, I want to recap something, and I want you to be able to look at it. Yesterday, we talked about, and I asked the question, has the federal government turned our schools into sanctuary safe zones? All right, we hear that all the time, but has the actual federal government already have they gone through with that? And what took place in Montgomery County, Maryland, Rockville High School, with the rape with two illegals, and 118, 117, and we discussed yesterday, no matter if these people walk through the door at the school, they cannot ask any questions. So on our website, this right here, okay, I'm going to show you this document right here. This document is 1, 2, 3, well, the first one's 4 pages long, okay? And this document says, "Dear colleagues," okay, this was sent out to every administrator, every teacher, administrator in the United States, okay? "Dear colleagues," this is on May 8th, 2014, this document, all right? It comes from the U.S. Department of Justice, Civil Rights Division, and then it comes from the U.S. Department of Education, all right? It's from the feds on May 8th, 2014. So you got Barack Obama, and you've got Department of Justice there, Eric Holder, I think, at that time. And it's "Dear colleagues," and it addresses, under federal law, state and local education agencies are required to provide all children with equal access to public education at an elementary school level. Recently, we've become aware of student enrollment practices that may chill or discourage participation or lead to exclusion of students based on their parents, guardians, guardians' actual or perceived citizenship or immigration status. That is on our website. You can read all 4 pages. See for yourself what your I said yesterday, please do not call your schools. You have some great superintendents of schools, superintendents out there of these school districts. You have some great administrators. Don't call and yell at them. This is what you'll see on your local level you're up against. Second, this is also, I went over this yesterday. How many pages did you say this one was?
I think it was 7.
It's about 7, yes, you're right. U.S. Department of Justice, again, U.S. Department of Education. Information on rights of all children to enroll in school. Questions and answers for state, school districts, and parents. Okay, I heard a story yesterday from a lady that they had moved from another state, I think it was Texas, to this area, North Georgia, and could not enroll her son in school based on a lack of information that they required for her to put them in school. Yet an illegal we'll just say, because we're not allowed to discuss the status, okay? But they can walk in, use different documentation. We said that yesterday. So here you go. It is the information on rights of all children to enroll in school, questions and answers for state school districts. This is the hypothetical question. Should a district inquire into immigration or citizenship status of a student or parent as a means of establishing the student's residency in the district? So this is on our website. So how can you read this entire document and find out for yourself and make your own decision? Have we turned these into sanctuary schools? How bad have we tied the hands of our administrators, like our local superintendent of schools? What are they up against when they walk in the office in the morning and somebody comes in and wants to enroll? They can't say a word. They can't tell you who's in school. They cannot tell you who's in the school. If you walk into your school district, these documents forbid them from the federal government from telling you they have a 16-year-old illegal in the school that enrolled last week. They don't know where they came from, don't know where their residence is, can't ask, can just suspect, hey, you live here, come to school. That's what you're up against. I asked the question yesterday, who is your child sitting next to in school today? Seriously. And I don't care where you live. You better pay attention. Better pay attention. Go to fetchernews.com and click on any of the counties, and you can see our segment from yesterday. We will add this segment to that one also, part B on there, this segment, and you can read these documents. They're on there. Okay, now